Woo!
Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This one is Tzatziki. For Christ's sake, subscribe. Let's get you started.
I'm in! What's the job?
Alright, first off, grate half a cucumber into a sieve. You're on camera now. No. Wash it down, get all of the juice out. And pop it to one side.
Okay.
Next, take your 1.5 cups of yogurt, pop it in a bowl. Gonna add 3 minced cloves of garlic. And chuck in the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Give that a good mix.
He's a freak. He's a fast killer. He's a fast killer.
We're going to bring back the cucumber, pop that in there, give it a mix again. Good pinch of salt, and if you like, chuck some fresh dill in just before you serve. Serve it up with some lamb in a pita and you're good to go. Thanks for watching that one, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.